In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the fastest, easiest, and most useful ways to take a screenshot in Windows 11, whether you want to capture the full screen, just one window, or only a selected part of your display. And trust me, once you learn these shortcuts, you'll never forget them. Let's start with the easiest and most powerful method. The first method is the Snipping Tool shortcut. Just press Windows plus Shift plus S. The screen will dim and a small toolbar will appear at the top. Now you can choose how you want to capture your screen. You can select a rectangle, draw a freeform shape, capture one full window, or grab the entire screen. This is the method most people should use because it is fast, simple, and flexible. After you take the screenshot, it is copied automatically to your clipboard. That means you can paste it instantly into Paint, Word, WhatsApp, email, or anywhere else. And if you click the preview that appears in the corner, you can edit, crop, or save it right away. Now let's move to the classic shortcut. Press Print Screen, also called PrtSc. This captures your entire screen and copies it to the clipboard. Then open Paint, Word, or any app you want, and press Ctrl+V to paste it. This is one of the oldest screenshot methods, but it still works perfectly in Windows 11. Next is one of the best shortcuts if you want your screenshot saved automatically. Press Windows plus Print Screen. Your screen will briefly dim, which means the screenshot has been taken. And this time, the image is saved directly to your computer. You can find it here. This PC, Pictures, Screenshots. That is super useful when you do not want to paste the image manually every time. Now here is a shortcut many people forget. Press Alt plus Print Screen. This captures only the active window, not the whole screen. So if you are working in a browser, document, or app, and you only want that one window, this is the shortcut you need. Again, just paste it after using the shortcut. Now let me show you the manual method. Click the Start menu and search for Snipping Tool. Open the app, click New, and select the part of the screen you want to capture. This method is great if you want more control or if you want to set a delay before taking the screenshot. And here is something even better. On newer Windows 11 versions, Snipping Tool can also be used for screen recording. That means screenshots are not the only thing it can do anymore. It has become a powerful built-in tool for creators, students, office users, and anyone who works on a computer every day. So, let's make this super simple. If you want to capture a selected area, use Windows plus Shift plus S. If you want the whole screen copied instantly, use Print Screen. If you want the whole screen saved automatically, use Windows plus Print Screen. If you want only one window, use Alt plus Print Screen. And if you want full control, open the Snipping Tool from the Start menu. Here is the real secret. For most people, the best shortcut in Windows 11 is Windows plus Shift plus S. It is fast, modern, and works in almost every situation. So if you remember just one shortcut from this video, make it that one. Now you know how to take a screenshot in Windows 11 like a pro. No confusion, no wasted time, just quick, clean screenshots whenever you need them. And once you start using these shortcuts, you will wonder how you ever worked without them. That's your complete guide to taking screenshots in Windows 11. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.